Welcome to Peach Grove Villas. This beautiful, maintenance-free community is located just minutes from Interstate 20, nestled between Clemson and Spears Creek Church Road. This community is a retreat from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Whether it's walking the beautifully maintained grounds, or enjoying an afternoon relaxing by the swimming pool, or gathering with your friends at the various neighborhood events throughout the year. These immaculate, open-concept homes boast gleaming hardwood floors, gorgeous cabinets, stunning tile bathrooms, and loads of natural light throughout. The community is also conveniently located just seconds from the Village at Sandhill, where you can satisfy all your shopping desires. So as you can see, the lifestyle offered at Peach Grove Villas is second to none.